Scholarships. How do you get a scholarship at universities? So there's many different ways to get scholarships. The easiest way is to have good grades. So I'm talking back to sixth form. If you have a good track record of getting good grades, the university might offer you a scholarship. First, before we even get into that, what is a scholarship? Scholarship is basically when the university will pay for you to come to the university, and they actually might give you money when you come to the university. So, for example, you might get a grand, 5 grand, 6 grand, 7 grand, however much. I know someone, I think they get 12 grand a semester, and they don't have to pay to come to university. So it's a plus plus, and that's just because one of the grades they got, and two because of the course. So depending on the course you get, you might actually get some money to study that course, to buy different things that, such as equipment for your course or anything. So when you're looking at scholarships, make sure to look at the university and search what scholarships they have, because they might not give it to you directly, but you might be able to apply for the scholarship and you might be granted the scholarship. And you have to apply for scholarship every single year, again, depending on the scholarship.